Hot water blanching softens banana blossom to reduce bitterness inside the banana blossom processing factory. They're submerged in water. They are then moved along the fiber for further processing.
Okay, first batch, let's weigh it.
Got it. Lifting now.
Easy does it. 200 kilos, spot on. Good, log it and next. Careful with the stem, it's heavy. Got it, keep it steady. Okay, to the conveyor now. Ready? Let's move. These look good today.
Yes, very fresh.
These look good today.
Yes, very fresh.
Blades are aligned, feed rate is steady.
Checking the calibration. It looks good.
Confirm, keep the pressure even.
Output looks uniform. Good yield.
Check this one for bruises
This one has rot inside.
and pest damage on this one.
Okay, discard the defective ones.
These banana blossom batches are approved, time to tag them. Applying the approved label to this cluster and the next one. All set for packaging.
In some batches, banana blossom enters a mechanical dehydrator inside the banana blossom processing factory.
Keep it moving steadily.
Yes, clockwise then back.
Good. Let's check the mix.
Looks uniform now.
Keep it moving steadily.
Yes, clockwise then back.
Good. Let's check the mix. Looks uniform now.
Checking salt level for tank 7. Hydrometer reads 1.110. Within range, logging it.
Let's test this batch. It looks almost ready.
Right, I'll check the moisture now. It's at 11.8%. Perfect for packaging.
Good. Move it to the packing station.
Temperature controls regulate banana blossom drying inside the banana blossom processing factory. Here, the temperature is set to 50 degrees Celsius. The machine maintains optimal conditions for processing.
Final pallets ready for dispatch. Load them up. Got it. Moving to the truck. Careful with the alignment. Secure it tight. All secure. Ready for the next.
Metal detection ensures banana blossom safety compliance in the banana blossom processing factory. The system scans each blossom, flagging contaminants to maintain high standards, guarantees safe, compliant products.
Start the fill. Keep it steady. Got it. This batch looks good. Seal it tight. Next one.
Random sample from this batch.
Got it. Looks good.
One more for the test set.
Trays ready. Moving to the lab. Stacking these banana blossom cartons. Careful with the top layer. One more to secure the stack.
Initial weight is 25 grams. Placing into the oven at 105 degrees.
Drying process initiated. We'll check the weight loss. Beginning surface swab for microbial testing. Swabbing complete, sample sealed and logged.
Let's update the records for batch 47.
Okay. 600 kilograms, grade A, received today.
Yes, that's right. Enter it, please.
Done. Saving the file now.
Good. That's accurate.
Let's check this first sample.
Okay. Ready for the next?
Stabilizing at 250.1 grams.
Looks consistent. Next one.
Agreed. Maintaining the process. Starting with sample 1.
Ready. Sample 1 is 4.52. Moving to sample 2. And sample 3 is 4.53. Texture testing is performed on dried banana blossom from the banana blossom processing factory. The material is placed on a workbench for the fibrous resilience. Stretching shows flexibility and partial fiber separation.
Aroma is fresh and earthy, no off odors.
Good, noting the color and texture.
Mild flavor, slightly astringent but good.
Agree, tender texture, this batch is approved.
Seal looks good. Moving to weigh.
Weight confirmed at 25 kilograms. Label is accurate, bag passes inspection.
Seal looks good. Moving to weigh.
Weight confirmed at 25 kilograms. Label is accurate, bag passes inspection.
Okay, verifying the banana blossom packages. Product name and ingredients are correct. Weight and origin match. This one is accurate. Proceeding to the next.
Scanning this batch now. Scan confirmed.
Scanning the top shelf. All clear here.
Move this pallet to shipping. Careful, keep it steady. That's the spot. Good. Starting final visual inspection on pallet BB 2024-56. Racks are uniform, cores look firm and fresh. No visible damage or pests. Approving this batch. Batch approved. Pressure washing this station. Moving residue to the drain. Scrubbing the floor. Solutions are working. Squeeging to the drain now. Almost clear. Rinse complete. Move to the next area. Output looks good. Shredder efficiency?
Up 2%. This batch is perfect.
Good. Let's check the packaging.
Labels are compliant. No issues.
Excellent. We'll scale up tomorrow.
Agreed.
Check the blossom line for residue.
All clear on the cutters.
Good. Now the washing tank.
Rinse cycle complete. Surfaces dry. Final wipe down. Check crevices. All clean.
Let's check the export certificate. All fields are filled?
Yes, batch number and weights match the manifest.
Good. Now the quality report. Moisture and pH are
Confirm. All parameters pass.